Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tutorial, CRUD operations in Python Flask. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to perform CRUD, create, read, update, delete, operations using Python Flask, a popular web framework. CRUD operations are fundamental in building web applications as they allow users to interact with and manipulate data stored in a database. Prerequisites. Setup. Before we begin, make sure you have Flask installed. You can install it via pip. Creating a Flask application. First, let's create a basic Flask application with routes for handling CRUD operations. Save this code in a file named app.py. Now, you can run the Flask application using the command. Navigate to http://127.0.0.1:5000/ in your web browser, and you should see the welcome message. CRUD operations. Now, let's add routes to handle CRUD operations. Testing the endpoints. You can use tools like curl or postman to test these endpoints. Post, create a new book. Get, retrieve all books. Put, update a book. Delete, delete a book. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've now learned how to perform CRUD operations in Python Flask. These operations are the backbone of most web applications, allowing you to create, read, update, and delete data effectively. Feel free to expand upon this tutorial by adding database integration or implementing more complex logic as needed. ChatGPT.